Hey guys, I'm so excited because today we are on our, well it's like a bittersweet day. We're on our second last calendar for this series, but it's a really cute one. This is the Cloud Theory Gourmet Marshmallow Advent Calendar, and they sent this super cute little stick with it, little like fondue kind of stick. So anyway, we are just going to get into it. So it just goes like, yeah, so this is a 24-day calendar. Right, day number 1. Oh my god, I don't know what I was expecting. I don't know why I thought they'd be like individually wrapped, but they're not. Okay. And they're gooey. How do I like... What do I do with it now? Okay. Anyway, we'll get him out, I guess. Okay, this is weird. Like... He's just... Okay, I've just wrestled him out of there. It's a big marshmallow. Okay, I feel like I need to go get a plate. Anyway, that is day number 1. And they've got the flavours on the back. I think... He doesn't look like any of them. I feel like it might be raspberry swirl, but then it's got a little unicorn on it. And like... I have no idea. Okay. This is day 1. Let me go get a plate so I can like put them somewhere. Anyway, I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't that. Anyway, day 2. Okay, I think... Oh, they're really like hard to get out. I'm not gonna lie. Just manhandling these poor marshmallows. Okay, I think this one is the unicorn. Oh, you know what I reckon's happened? I reckon the little unicorn from this one has fallen off and landed next door. So this one is Rainbow Unicorn. It says bright, sweet and fruity with magical sparkles. I'm gonna do like a little bit of a taste test at the end. Day 3. Ooh, this one looks cute. I hate that you have to I'm gonna like try and show you how I have to get this out. Like it just seems mean, you know what I mean? Like, I guess normally you'd probably just be eating them then and there, but anyway. I think this might be the candy cane peppermint. Yeah, smells like candy cane. It says a festive fusion of creamy marshmallow and iconic minty freshness of candy canes. Cute. Day number 4. Okay, what are you? This is day number 4. Got lots of stuff falling off him. He is mango. Or toasted coconut. I think it's toasted coconut. Covered in crunchy shreds of toasted coconut. Yeah, I can see that. Day number 5. Mind you, the actual advent calendar itself is really, really cute. Day 5. Okay, this one looks a little bit festive. What are you? Oh. Ooh, I think this is gingerbread. Because I can like... Oh no. Okay. Yeah, when I lick my fingers it tastes like gingerbread. So yes, we have gingerbread. Rich spices of ginger, cinnamon and molasses combined in perfect harmony in a fluffy marshmallow. So we have 24 days, but we have 12 flavours. So at some point we're going to get repeats of the flavours. Okay, day 6. Ooh, this one looks cute. I think this is the cherry ripe flavour or cherry delight or something. I just feel so bad that I have to like dig my fingers in there. Yeah, cherry delight. It says glassy cherries, desiccated. No, I feel like I'm saying all this so wrong. Desiccated. Isn't that like a poo? Or am I wrong? Oh no, that's defecated. Oh god. Desiccated coconut and dark chocolate. Cute. They do look really cute sitting on my little plate. I'm gonna run out of room on my plate soon actually. Okay, day 7. This one is winter vanilla bean. Vanilla bean marshmallow decorated with snowflake sprinkled. Cute. Oh, Jesus. That is winter vanilla bean. Smells nice. Okay, day 8. Oh, what is this? Okay, this is next. This must be chocolate. which I'm a little bit sad about because it's meant to have a little Santa face on it. It says, delight in the smooth, creamy texture of the chocolate flavour that will melt in your mouth. But where's my little Santa? I want him. If you see on the back, like, it's meant to have a little Santa on top of him. Unless my Santa's like floating around in here somewhere. Anyway, that was day 8. Day 9. This is strawberries and cream. Sweet strawberries with a layer of vanilla bean. Oh, yum, that one smells really good actually. Okay, day 10. Oh, this one's split in half. I think this is mango. Yeah, looks like that's mango. Sweet mango rolled in shredded coconut. Day 11. What is day 11? Lemon meringue, maybe? Some of the ones like that are meant to have decorations don't have the decorations on them anymore. This is lemon meringue. Tangy lemon with crumbles of meringues. Because like it's meant to have meringues on top, but it doesn't. But anyway. And then at day 12, we have mint chocolate. Oh, hang on, I found some things in here. Oh, okay, I found like a little Christmas tree that's fallen off somebody. I don't know where he came from. He's obviously meant to be on someone. This one is mint chocolate. Okay, so those are all of our 12 flavours. So I'm just going to show you my little plate. My plate of marshmallow. This is so random. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the rest of the calendar and I'm just going to read out. I'm just going to tell you what flavours we get. Because I don't want to take another 12 out of here. I kind of want to keep them in the calendar until I'm ready to eat them. And then we'll do a bit of a taste test. Okay. Day 13. Okay, it looks like it just goes in the same order because day 13 is raspberry swirl. Yeah, so it just repeats in the same order. So day 14 is rainbow unicorn. Day 15 is the candy cane one, I think. No, is that? Yeah, I think it might be. Day 16 is toasted coconut. Day 17 is gingerbread. Day 18 is cherry ripe, or cherry delight, sorry. 19, we have the winter vanilla bean. Day 20, mint choc. Oh, maybe they're not in the same order. I don't know. Anyway, day 21 is strawberries and cream. Day 22 is mango. Day 23 is lemon meringue. And day 24 is chocolate. So I'll just show you how they actually look like sitting in the actual calendar. They are very cute, like don't get me wrong. I just think this calendar, I don't know what I was kind of expecting. So you can kind of see all of them sitting there in their little doors. It looks like they've put a little Christmas tree on the chocolate ones instead of putting the Santa on there. Okay. I do like this calendar. I think it's really sweet. I think that the reason I'm having the problem with it, I mean, realistically, if you bought this as a calendar, there would be no problem because you'd open the day and you'd eat it. But I think obviously because I've opened it and tried to show you now, I have all these marshmallows sitting out and I don't know where to put them. So I think that maybe that's on me and just this, like obviously because I do these videos to show you guys what's in these calendars, that is kind of where I might have gone wrong. That's fine. That is not their fault. That is on me. So that's fine. It is really cute. 24 marshmallows. I really like the range of flavours that they've picked. And I think they're really cute. I don't like that you have to shove your fingers in there and wrestle to try and get them out. But I feel like also, once again, if you're going to eat it, probably doesn't matter. Okay, let's try some. What ones do I want to try? I'm gonna try winter vanilla bean. So that's this one here. Let's have a little bite of it. Pretty good. It honestly just tastes like standard. I don't know if you guys saw that. he just rolled onto the floor. Lemon meringue. Bloody hell. Lucky I've got another one. So yeah, this is pretty good actually. It tastes like very classic like marshmallow, like good quality marshmallow. I like it. I don't know what to try next. Alright, let's try gingerbread. Which is this one. That's good. That's real good. Very gingerbready. And let's try strawberries and cream. That's interesting. It's quite nice though. Yeah, anyway. I feel like this calendar is really cute. I actually feel like this would be a really great one for like kids or, I mean, you know, adults if you want to have yourself a little marshmallow. And it's quite like a nice little surprise every day to have like a nice little marshmallow. And they're not tiny either. Like they're good quality, good size marshmallows. So yeah, overall, I think it is super cute. I really like all of the flavours that you get. I feel like it's a nice variety. So yeah, that is the Cloud Theory Gourmet Marshmallow Advent Calendar. Let me know below what you guys think. I need to go and find somewhere to put all of these now. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!